We built the reporting capabilities in QuickBooks Enterprise based on a single, simple idea. It's your data, and you should be able to see it the way you want to. Enterprise includes more than 200 built-in reports, all customizable to capture the data that matters most to you. You can apply filters, add or remove data points, or add a custom field like sales rep, region, or customer type. And when you've got that report just right, you can save it as a template so you never have to set it up again. You can even combine financial reports from multiple entities or businesses so you can see the full picture. And with custom editions of Enterprise for manufacturing, wholesale and distribution, contracting, retail, nonprofit, or professional services, you'll find bundled reports that businesses like yours have found the most useful. But we know your business is unique, and every ready-made report has its limits. That's why we gave you the power to go even further. With advanced reporting in QuickBooks Enterprise, you can access the raw data in your QuickBooks file to build your own reports from scratch, complete with charts and graphs that are easy to understand and offer key business insights. When you have questions about advanced reporting, we have answers. Advanced Reporting's comprehensive help portal includes how-to videos, tutorials, FAQs, and examples, all designed to help you get answers quickly so you can build the reports that will deliver the insights you're looking for. QuickBooks Enterprise gives you more visibility into the health of your business. With powerful insights about what's working well and what needs to change, you'll be able to make better business decisions and chart your path forward. When you need more than accounting software, you need QuickBooks Enterprise.